Why we love fast food? One of the reasons is most of these fast foods are overloaded with three kinds of tastes: salt, sweet, and sour. In Ayurveda, we have 6 tastes, including salt, sweet, and sour. We also have pungent, astringent, and bitter. And according to Ayurveda, it's good to include all these 6 tastes in your daily diet to have a balanced health. Now we will quickly look at the recipe for a cocktail or the Kashaya, including around 11 items covering all these 6 tastes. Take 1.5 cup of water, assuming you will end up with 1 cup after boiling. Take half tablespoon ginger powder, 2 pinch black pepper powder, half tablespoon ajwain seed powder, 1 to 2 pinch cinnamon powder, half tablespoon dried tulsi leaves or the fresh ones, half tablespoon dried mint leaves or the fresh ones, 2 pinch amla powder, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, 2 pinch rock salt, small piece of lemon. Make sure you take pepper, salt, and lemon as per the taste. Boil the water and mix everything. And now boil it for 5 minutes. Then filter the solution. Now it's ready and you can enjoy it with your Netflix. If you find this useful, please like, subscribe and share. And thanks for watching.